Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Revision. Picture word matching activity. Today we will look at some pictures and find their correct names. Look at the first picture. It is a round musical instrument with sticks hitting it. What is it? Is it a door, drum, lion, or doll? Yes, it's a drum. Great job. Picture 2. Now, look at this friendly farm animal. It gives us milk and says moo. What is it? Is it a fox, car, bear, or cow? Yes, it's a cow. Well done. Picture 3. Next, we see a colorful creature that lives in water. What is it? Is it a key, fish, kite, or net? Yes, it's a fish. Super. Picture 4. Now, here's a farm bird that lays eggs. What do we call it? Is it an owl, globe, hen, or iron? Yes, it's a hen. Fantastic. Picture 5. Look at this tiny, hardworking insect. It is small, but very strong. What is it? Is it a flag, lock, ant, or cap? Yes, it's an ant. Amazing. Picture 6. Finally, look at this big vehicle. It can drive on rough roads. What is it? Is it a nest, ball, jeep, or iron? Yes, it's a jeep. Excellent. Wow, you did an awesome job matching the pictures with their names. Great work, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll learn even more words. See you next time. Bye-bye.